Hello everyone. Hope you all are safe and doing well. Welcome back again to our Python programming video lecture series. I hope you must have revised our last lecture, that is lecture number 7, and solved the assignment based on it. Now let us start with our next lecture, that is lecture number 8. Welcome back again to our Python programming. If we'll have a look at syllabus, you will know that from starting with the introduction of programming, we have covered many topics of Python. We have learned up to identifier in Python and comments in Python. Now let us start with our next lecture. So welcome to the lecture number 8. In this lecture, we are going to cover just a single topic, that is operators in Python. Again, this is a very easy to understand topic and you will learn it quickly. It has a mathematical background which most of you know already. Operators in Python. So, the first type of operators are arithmetical operators. Very easy. We all know which are the arithmetical operators that are used in mathematical calculation. Addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and this one which is mostly used in a programming, that remainder, which is popularly called as modulus or mod, and that is represented by percentage symbol. Now let us see the working of all these operators one by one in Python shell. I have opened the Python shell over here. So let us see what are the arithmetic operators. So I will take one variable, again a equal to, let's say 12, and b equal to let's say 7. So let us see the working of all the operators. First one is addition, hence I will type a plus b. The result is 12 plus 7, 19. Then let us see subtraction, a minus b. The result is 5. Then let us see multiplication, a into b. 12 into 7, the result is 84. Then let us see the division. What is a by b? So 1.7142857142857142 and recurring. So if you check by a calculator, you will also get this answer. So it is just not only giving the integer value, but when you perform the division of two integers and if the answer is in decimal number, it will typecast that integer value into the decimal or floating value and show us the complete result. You will learn what is typecasting while we have a lecture on programming exercise. But for a while, just remember it is showing the whole answer in floating type data type, that is the data type for decimal number. Now we will see how mod or modulus operator works. So I will type a mod b. So 12 mod 7 should return us the remainder. So what is the remainder of 12 by 7? 12 by 7, the quotient is 1 and the remainder is 5. So let us see what is the answer. 5. So mod is returning me the remainder This is called as a modulus operator. Now let us see the another type of operators in Python, that is comparison or relational operators, which are used to make a comparison in a conditional statement. What is a conditional statement? That we will see again in our programming exercise. So this is a less than operator, this is greater than, this is called as less than or equal to, this is called as greater than or equal to, this is called as equal to. That means if both the sides of this equal to operator are correct, and this is not equal to. This is used to check if both the sides of not equal to operators are not the same. So let us understand all these 6 operators one by one. Here I have already given the comment as comparison or relational operators. Again I will assign some values to the variables. So let us compare between A and B. A less than B. Now remember one thing, that comparison operators or relational operators always return a boolean value, that is whether it is true or false. Obviously when you compare two things, how will you answer? Phi less than B, true, or phi greater than B, false. In this manner you will get a boolean value as true or false in your answer. So A less than B, true. Now let's check A greater than B, which should come as false. Now A less than or equal to B. So less than or equal to means either it is less or it is equal to. So phi is less than B, even if phi is not equal to B. That is, now phi is not equal to 7, but phi is less than 7. Hence it will return the value as true. If I take both the values as similar, like A equal to phi and B equal to phi, and if I check this less than and greater than, less than equal to or greater than equal to operators, it will again return me the similar answer, that is true. A less than or equal to B, true. Also A greater than or equal to B. So phi is not greater than phi, but it is equal to phi. Again phi is not less than phi, but it is equal to phi. Hence it will again return true. But if I take two other values, that is A equal to 4 and B equal to 5. Now 4 is less than 5, means 4 is not greater than 5 and not equal to 5. Now let us see A greater than or equal to B. Since 4 is greater than 5, no, that is false, and 4 is equal to 5, that is also false. So it is neither greater than and nor equal to, so it will return the answer as false. So this was all about less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than equal to. Now we will see equal to and not equal to. Here I have opened new shell. Now here we will check about equal to and not equal to. Now again I will give some equal values, A equal to 10 and B equal to 10. Now let us see whether A equal to B. It should return me the answer as true. Okay. Now let us check whether both are unequal. Definitely they are not equal. They are not unequal. Means they are equal. So let us check. A not equal to B. False. Since A is equal to B, it is false that A is not equal to B. So in this way, comparison or relational operators work. Now let us have a look at logical operators. There are three logical operators: and, or, and not. You must have learned these operators in your mathematical subjects. You must have remembered now by looking at these operators. That is, what is a truth table? Just remember all the truth tables of and, or, and not. Then you will find it easy to learn these logical operators. Now let us see the working of all these operators. But before proceeding further, one important point. Generally, we write and as double ampersand, then or like this and not like exclamatory mark. But in Python, we have to actually write all these three words to mention logical operators. Now let us see the working of this. Logical operators always works with Boolean values and return a Boolean value as a result. Even if we use the variables for operating with logical operator and or not, it will take the Boolean and or Boolean or Boolean not of those two variables and provide us the result in the form of whatever the Boolean and or not answer of those two variables. But for sake of simplicity, we will learn them with Boolean values only. So, according to the truth table of and, what is true and true? It must return the answer as true. Now let us see true and false. It must return us as false. We can check all these operations with 1 and zeros also. Now let us work with OR operator with 1 and 0. 1 or 1 should return 1. 1 or 0. What is the answer according to truth table? 1 only. So it has written 1. Now let us see 0 or 0. What is according to the truth table of OR? 0 or 0? It should written 0. Now let us see the working of NOT operator. Here I have already typed NOT of 1. What is the NOT of 1? That is 0. And 0 means false in a Boolean algebra. So it has written false. We can also try this by using actual true-false values. NOT of true is false. Again, NOT of false is obviously true. Then again we will check NOT of 0. It should give us the answer as 1. True. 1 in Boolean algebra means true. Hence the answer is correct. So in this way we have seen the operators in Python. This is all about 8th lecture. Don't forget again to solve the assignment based on it. We will meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Bye bye.